Koopoin jet fan's airflow speed is up to 120 meters per second. Enhanced performance for your higher demands. Here's some testing. Blowing sand. Making a hole in the mud. Blowing stones. Based on its innovative design, the Koopoin Jet Fan Pro has the 4 features. First, powerful airflow equipped with a dual-stage compression technology. This jet fan delivers ultra-strong airflow at speeds of up to 120 meters per second, easy for cleaning and pumping. Second, its efficient heat dissipation design ensures its long time running at full speeds. Third, the fan's shell is made by aluminum alloy and separated from power source with weight only 285 grams, light and durable. Fourth, power supply could be an adapter or a power bank with capacity 24.5 ampere-hour for a long time running. It can be used in outdoor recreation, household cleaning, automotive care, industrial production, and other fields. Easy to carry by a tool bag.